a job in commercial roofing? Do you ever feel like a number? You're just part of a big machine? Let's talk about how you can take your job and turn it into a career with Teamcraft Roofing. We are currently in a season of growth and we have many opportunities for you to improve your career. Whether you're a seasoned veteran in the roofing industry or someone that's just looking for a chance to learn a trade, we have the tools and systems in place to get you where you'd like to be. I'm a perfect example of how Teamcraft promotes from within. I started as a commercial roofer, and with the training Teamcraft provided me, I've been promoted 4 times now. I'm the service director for the company, and I'm not done yet. If you are looking to join our team, please visit our website. It's truly different over here.